Hello friends, this is Veronica. You know what time it is. It is cafecito time. So make sure you are subscribed to our channel for all things coffee. Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Like I said, my name is Veronica, and on this channel we make videos about coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and everything from the wonderful world of coffee. And today I don't have a coffee video for you. Boo, I know. But I want to continue with the coffee creamer reviews because I don't know, I'm on a coffee creamer kick. I've been seeing a lot of like different flavors come up. Some of them kind of crazy. Some of them sound really good. Some of them are like, why would you want a creamer of that flavor? But they've been kind of hard to find. I've been going to Target, my local grocery store, Walmart, and I can't seem to find some of these flavors. So I'm going to do a review today of 3 Coffee Mate creamers that I was able to find. And luckily, they're starting to make them in these smaller bottles because I really hate to buy the big bottles of creamer, especially if it's a new flavor. I don't know if I'm going to like it. I don't know if it's going to be good. And I'm like, what am I going to do with a huge bottle of creamer? So these smaller bottles are like perfect. So yeah, today we're going to test and try out 3 Coffee Mate flavors. Some of them are new. Some of them are new to me. So make sure you stick around and subscribe so you can enjoy all our cafecito videos. Okay, so one of them I had talked to you before in one of my other videos. It's almost gone. It is the Oatmeal and Cream Cookie. And this one, you guys, I have been enjoying. I will repurchase this and I might even buy the bigger bottle. These are only 16 ounces, so that's pretty good. It is the Coffee Mate Oatmeal Cream Cookie. So it literally does taste like the Little Debbie oatmeal cookies with the cream that we used to eat as kids, or maybe we still eat as adults, but this one is actually kind of pretty good. The next one I have is the Cafe Mocha. It says triple churned and 2 times richer than milk. So it's just Cafe Mocha. So I'm assuming it's going to taste like if you made a mocha coffee, 16 ounces as well. And the one I'm most excited about, because I love donuts, is a glazed donut, and it says dreamy dessert. So I don't know if it's a like a line they have of like dessert flavored creamers, but this one says new. And it has the glazed donuts in there that look yummy. And let me see, it has a little information back here. Dessert for every day. Coffee and donuts go together just like, well, coffee and a Coffee Mate. Haha. Glazed donut flavored creamer. Has there ever been a more classic duo? It's dessert anytime you want it. So basically, it's going to taste like a glazed donut. So I'm excited to try this one. So what I'm going to do is, so I have my 3 cups, 3 creamers, and I have my hot coffee here that I already made. You know, I didn't want to bore you with me making the coffee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try the creamer first, just to taste the flavor, and then I'm going to try it inside the coffee. So let's pour some coffee in our cups. And I'm not having full cups of coffee because it's a lot of coffee, guys. Making these videos, I drink a lot of coffee, and sometimes I need to not drink so much coffee. So that should be good. Just enough so we taste it, right? Okay. So I'm going to start off with oatmeal cookie oatmeal and cream cookie. I want to call it oatmeal cookie cream. It's my dyslexia kicking in. Okay, so this one, like I said, I had tried it before. And it definitely tastes like oatmeal cookie. You could taste the cinnamon. You could taste I might even have like a little bit of like nutmeg flavor in it. It's actually pretty good. So if you enjoy oatmeal cookies and like cinnamon nutmeg type of flavors, you might enjoy this one. So I'm gonna put it in the coffee. And it says it is 1 tablespoon is the serving size, but we know that's never enough. But I'm just gonna try 1 tablespoon in here. Mix it up. Definitely needs more. And like I said, this one I have enjoyed it. I've actually mixed it in with just like regular milk froth, and then I put a little bit of this, a little bit of milk, and I froth it, and then I make my espresso over it, and ooh, it tastes so yummy. So this one I like and I recommend. Very good. It's a little sweet, but once you mix it into the coffee, you know, it doesn't taste as sweet. And it just gives you like a nice, warm, cozy feeling. This is probably a good one for the fall time. You know, you like to bake, and it actually smells like oatmeal cookies. So this one is a thumbs up for me. If you find it, try it. Try it out. It's pretty good. Okay. Let's try a cafe mocha next. I forget you gotta shake these, so I'm gonna shake it up. Let's see. It doesn't have any other information. It just says perfect combination. Be your own barista. Okay, guys, I need my glasses. Be your own barista. Chocolate and coffee make such a perfect combination that it had to have its own word, mocha. Okay. Lactose free, gluten free, non-dairy, cholesterol free. Change starts with a splash. Oh, okay, it just says recycle your bottles. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna taste it. It's brown. It looks like chocolate milk. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, this one is not as sweet. The oatmeal cream cookie is sweeter. This one doesn't taste as sweet. And it tastes like chocolate, but it kind of has like an aftertaste, which I don't like. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, we're going to mix it up in here. Let's see how it tastes with actual coffee. You know what? When you put it in the coffee, you don't even taste the chocolate. I can't taste the chocolate, and that aftertaste I was talking about is gone. So this one I say is pass. It doesn't really, I don't know. I don't really get any good flavor from it. I don't get the chocolate flavor. I mean, I put a little bit more, and now it's starting to taste like chocolate, but am I going to have to put like 1/4 cup of it to have some mocha flavor? So this one is definitely a pass for me. I will not be buying this again. Okay. So cafe mocha is a thumbs down for me. Okay, so now the one we've all been waiting for, or at least the one I've been waiting for, glazed donut. So yeah, let's shake it up. I forget I'm a righty. Oops. I'm trying to see if it smells like a donut. So far, it doesn't really smell like much. Okay, I could kind of taste like the glaze, kind of like Krispy Kreme glaze type, just plain donut glaze. It's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be, so that's kind of good. Not as sweet. Okay, once you put it in your coffee, it just kind of tastes like a little sweet, a little vanilla-y, not strong vanilla, but just a little slight vanilla flavor. It's okay. It's good. I'm a little disappointed that it's not, you know, a stronger flavor. And by stronger, I mean if it says it tastes like a certain flavor, I want it to taste like that. So it's just okay. Would I buy this again? Probably not. I will drink this. The rest of it, cafe mocha, I don't know. So in conclusion, Coffee Mate is not necessarily the best coffee creamers out there. They're probably just the more popular that most people know about. But in conclusion, my least favorite is cafe mocha. Thumbs down for me. Didn't like it. It kind of had a little bit of an aftertaste, and once you put it in your coffee, it's like, where's my chocolate flavor? No chocolate flavor. Glazed donut, I didn't hate it, but I didn't love it. I really wanted to love this. I don't love it. It's just okay. I will keep using it in my coffee. Maybe I'll froth it and see if that makes a difference, but it's just okay. It's not bad. It's not good. This one is definitely my favorite of the three. Oatmeal and cream cookie. It tastes like what it says it's supposed to taste. It tastes like oatmeal. It's a little creamy. You taste the spices such as cinnamon, nutmeg, or whatever other spices they put in oatmeal cookies, and it just gives me a warm, fuzzy feeling in my coffee. So definitely try this one. This is the one I recommend. That's my review, you guys. Let me know if you like these kind of videos where I talk about other like creamers or other types of coffee related themes or things. Let me know. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. I post videos every Wednesday, every Sunday. Join our cafecito loving family. Hope you're having a wonderful summer so far, and we'll see you guys next week. And let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried any of these or if you are planning to try any of these creamers. That's all I have for you guys. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye.